Hello! In this video we'll see the use of Forms AI for document understanding, seeing how to create extractors with it and how to apply them within the studio workflows. Forms AI is an extraction tool present within the document understanding services that allows us to process structured documents, in other words, documents that do not have significant variations in their layout. So, let's go! That's the home screen of the document understanding. First of all, we need to create a new document understanding project. So, let's go. Let's name it project DU and then click on create. Now that we have created our new project, let's add new document types to it. I will start with the type CEG. So let's click New, using Forms AI, and name it CEG. Once this is done, the Document Manager screen will open for us, where we have to upload from 2 to 20 documents of the desired type, with a maximum of 5 pages each so that we can create our model. So let's upload it. I will upload 5 documents of the CEG type, and then we click in upload. Now let's click on import. Now we can see that some fields were automatically detected. After that, we can decide which fields we want to keep, if we are going to define new fields, or if another adjustment needs to be done. So let's make the adjustments. Let's create a new field for the total. To select the field, you have to click the region and then type the letter indicated here. Done. So I've made the adjustments. Let's go to the next document. Now for the following documents, we can use the predict feature, which will automatically recognize the fields based on the previous selection, and it's important to know that not always the recognition happens correctly, so some adjustments may be necessary. So let's click the predict and wait. Now we can publish our extractor. I will name it demo CEG and click in publish. Oh, let me choose another name. And here it is. Now let's repeat these steps for the other document types. So let's create a new document type. This time I will name it light. I will choose 5 light documents, upload them, import, and now we can make the adjustments. And now we can publish our extractor. I will name it demo, publish, and done. Now let's create the last document type. I will name it team. I will upload the 5 team documents. And make some adjustments. Alright, so let's publish our last document type. I will name it team demo. Okay. Now let's see how we can apply that in the studio workflow. So let's go. Now here we have our workflow. This workflow works this way. First, the definitions will be loaded. Then the taxonomy will be loaded too. The taxonomy is the metadata that contains the information about the document types and the fields of these documents, as you can see here. So then the documents to be processed will be digitized, then classified, and this classification can be validated if necessary. Then the data will be extracted, and we will validate the extracted data. In an upcoming video, we will demonstrate how, in details, how this workflow is built. But in this video, we will focus on the extraction step of the workflow. So let's open it. To use the extractors, we need to use a machine learning extractor activity inside the data extraction scope. Now we need to provide the document understanding API key. So let me copy the API key and paste here, and the endpoint of the extractor. So let me do the same with the extractor. And as in this case we have three extractors, I will use three machine learning extractor activities. So let's go. The API key and the endpoint. Now the last extractor. Again the API key and the endpoint of the last extractor. Okay, now we can set up our classifiers and map our extractors and map the fields in our taxonomy to the fields in the extractor. So let's do this. Okay. Now we can run our workflow and analyze the results. So let's do this. So here we go. And for this execution I have separated a sample of 90 documents, 3 of each type, so you can analyze better the results. Now let's check the automation execution, and wait for the results. Okay, as we can see, the fields data was extracted correctly, and we got 100% of accuracy. So let's validate the extractions and save. And now let's check the results for the following automation, the following documents. All correct. And now correct again. Now let's check the results for the light type. Okay, everything was extracted correctly. All correct again. Now the last document of the light type. And now correct again. Now let's see the results for our last document type, the team type. Okay. Again, 100% of accuracy for all the fields. And now let's check the results for the last document. And great, great, everything's correct again. So, as you can see at the execution, all the data was extracted correctly for all the cases with 100% of accuracy for all the cases too. So, that's it. So please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the new videos. I hope I helped you, and see you around. Bye bye.